Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating radio out of a 56 Ford F-100 AM radio. It is now an AM/FM radio with a heck of a lot more output power and 4 separate speaker amplifiers. Excuse me. Okay, let's turn it on, make sure it works. Got it set to AM right now.
Sign from Murphy.
Now, one thing I'll say about this radio, the tone control is defective.
Amazing.
It's a very special kind that you're never going to find, so I just added a tone control on the back panel.
I know that
So
Mike
we'll use that to adjust our front rear fader and our left-right speaker balance. So let's go ahead and try that. First, we're going to do the front rear fader.
Opening day for the Cardinals. And it sure looked like that for a good part of the game. But you kept the faith, Doc.
Okay, I'm going to set up the front rear fader.
The Cardinals were going to
fader adjust.
Okay.
Not just get within the 5.5, 6.5 points that were involved, but to win the thing outright.
All the way front.
Absolutely. And they were going into that game 8-1 on the road in their last 9. So I was
fader set.
Okay, now let's
adjust
the left-right balance.
They are warriors, so that
balance adjust.
was nice to see that win, and they needed it.
Right.
You start out 0-2, trying to make the playoffs or the Super Bowl becomes almost impossible.
Yeah, actually, I have a number for
balance
adjust.
you. Have an 11%.
Okay, let's switch to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. We don't need this stuff anymore.
Wow.
Okay, here we go. So off on, and now we're on FM. So we'll just go down the dial.
But just people there haven't done the tests to find.
Well, we don't know, but the NRDC has.
Sumergido en el río de tu espíritu.
And God knew it would happen numerous times.
Operations. My wife wears Halloween scrubs.
My feet are planted.
Granted, they got within.
Go through the winter, and you'll feel better in the.
Motion for me, slow motion for me, moving slow.
I think that this might be his way of like making.
I've always said this, and even on the school board's part, they have.
For details. A low-cost airline.
Okay, let's flash this dial light a few times so you can see that that's flashing on and off. And so that concludes the test. Everything's working. She's ready to go back. And I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And the only way to reach me right now with my difficulty in speaking is through my website. So do not even call me until you've been to my website, because there's a lot of very important stuff that I'm not going to remember during a phone conversation. So visiting my website is now going to be your first method of contact, and that's the only way that I'm going to do business with you. Is you got to do a little homework before you call me and hit me with a rapid-fire series of questions. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Mike, for your business all the way from Boring, Oregon, and we'll see you guys next time.